The banana milkshake, beyond its pleasant taste, stands as a commendable addition to one's fitness regime owing to its rich nutritional profile. This concoction, primarily composed of bananas and milk, presents an ideal blend of essential nutrients beneficial for both pre- and post-workout consumption. Bananas are renowned for their high potassium content, a vital mineral that plays a critical role in muscle function and cardiovascular health. Potassium aids in the prevention of muscle cramps and ensures smooth muscle contractions, which is particularly crucial during rigorous physical activities. On the other hand, milk is a well-acknowledged source of high-quality protein. Protein, being the building block of muscles, assists in muscle repair and growth. Moreover, this macronutrient contributes to satiety, helping in appetite control and preventing overeating. The carbohydrate content in bananas also provides a quick and sustained energy release, making it excellent fuel for workouts. The simplicity of preparation further adds to its appeal. By blending a ripe banana with a glass of milk, one can create a nutritious and energizing beverage within minutes. This natural energy drink can significantly enhance performance, improve recovery times, and provide a satisfying reward after intense exercise. Hence, incorporating a banana milkshake into your fitness routine could potentially yield noticeable improvements in your overall physical health and fitness outcomes.